Mastering wood carving. How carbide burrs transform your craft. Carving hardwood can quickly wear down your tools and slow your progress. Carbide burrs with carbide rotary tools offer a sharper, longer-lasting option that handles both rough shaping and intricate wood designs. In this post, you'll learn which shapes and sizes work best for your style and get woodworking tips to keep your burrs in top shape while achieving smooth, precise results. Versatility of carbide burrs. Carbide burrs are game changers in the world of wood carving. They offer flexibility for both beginners and seasoned craftsmen, from rough shaping to fine detailing. When starting a wood carving project, the initial shaping sets the foundation. Carbide burrs excel at removing large chunks of wood, allowing you to define the basic form quickly. Their sharpness ensures you get a clean cut without much effort. As you progress to fine detailing, these burrs help you achieve intricate designs with precision. Whether it's adding texture to a leaf or refining the curves of a sculpture, carbide burrs maintain their edge, giving you consistent results every time. Adapting to different carving styles. Every woodworker has a unique style, and carbide burrs adapt to your needs. If you prefer bold, sweeping designs, these tools handle the rough work with ease. For those who focus on delicate, detailed pieces, the control offered by carbide burrs is unmatched. You can transition between carving styles effortlessly, making them an essential part of your toolkit. They cater to your creativity, letting you experiment and push the boundaries of your craft. Choosing the right burrs. Selecting the perfect burr is crucial for achieving desired results. Understanding the variety available can enhance your carving experience. Exploring various shapes and sizes. Carbide burrs come in a range of shapes and sizes. Each has its role, from ball-shaped burrs ideal for concave cuts to flame burrs that taper to a fine point for detailing.
Thanks for watching. If you're looking for high-quality American-made carbide burr tools that are built to cut faster, last longer, and help you get the job done right, visit our website today. We keep our American-made carbide burr tools in stock and ready to ship, with same-day shipping available on orders placed before our daily cutoff time. Whether you're working on metal fabrication, porting, welding, automotive projects, or precision grinding, we've got the carbide burr you need. Visit our website and order yours today.